of Pediatrics, Professor Muhammad Atiyar Rahman sir, to the dais for his speech.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Chairperson of this conference and our Provici Admin, Professor Dr. Abul Kalam Azad, and my teacher, Professor A.S.M. Bozlul Karim sir, Chairman of the Pediatric Gastroenterology Department, Professor Rukunuzzaman, Dr. Muhammad Atiyar Rahman, present on the dais, and in front of me there are some dignitaries of various institutes of Bangladesh and also some foreign delegates. Assalamu alaikum. It is my pleasure that we are participating in a conference about gastroenterology in Abu Said Convention Hall. Definitely, we encouraged conference of any society or any subject because this is the time to explain or to reflect ourselves as our research and also our knowledge regarding the subject and to disseminate this knowledge throughout the countries as well as abroad. You know that pediatric gastroenterology is the important subject, and in our daily practice, every day we face many cases of gastroenterology, especially diarrhea, hepatitis, chronic liver disease, etc. So we need to expand our knowledge as well as our research evidence to share and to disseminate among the pediatricians. So I am very much happy that Pediatric Gastroenterology Department, they are presenting their common GIT problem as well as future plan and their research evidence. Lastly, I would like to thank everyone of this conference to participate as well as to share their knowledge. Thank you very much.